Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie using a juicer. While traditional juicers separate pulp, a specific method with a masticating juicer allows for a delicious, thick smoothie. You'll need a blank plate attachment, which transforms your juicer into a powerful homogenizer. This unique approach ensures you can create creamy textures directly in your juicer. Proper ingredient preparation is key for success. Always use frozen fruits. This provides the necessary coldness and thickness. Cut any larger pieces, like a banana, into smaller segments, ideally around 1.5 inches. You might also include a small amount of liquid, perhaps 1/4 cup of almond milk, to help with consistency and flow through the juicer. Now for the actual process. First, ensure your masticating juicer has the blank plate attachment securely in place. This plate prevents juice separation and allows for homogenization. Slowly feed your prepared frozen fruit pieces into the juicer's chute. The juicer will then extrude a thick, creamy smoothie directly into your collection bowl, ready to enjoy. For the best results, work quickly once you remove your frozen fruits from the freezer to prevent them from thawing too much. After enjoying your smoothie, clean your juicer parts immediately. This prevents residue from drying and makes cleanup much easier. Don't be afraid to experiment with various frozen fruit combinations to discover your favorite smoothie flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.